Good Saturday morning to our Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for January 24th, 2015. And the winter storm that was affecting us over in the overnight hours is going to continue this morning, and we'll be moving off to the northeast rapidly and away from our area. So we are going to be trying to winding down here late morning, early afternoon. It looks like may have a last gasp band come through as well. But here's our system here early Saturday morning. This is just to give you a broad overview of what's going on here. And the next frame here moves up about 75 to 100 miles east of Toms River, New Jersey, and then heads up into past Cape Cod and up toward Nova Scotia at that point, and it's out of here. So let's go over to the shorter term here. Let's go over to the HRRR. This is a new one. I usually use the NAM High Res Future Simulated Radar. This is the HRRR, High Resolution Rapid Refresh. Almost couldn't spit that out. As a simulated radar. Actually, we're going to backdate this to 11 p.m. last night. We're going to go a little bit further from this, and of course all the blues here are snow. The darker the heavier, and all the purples here are mixed precipitation. This is all rain further south here, so you can see that the good amount of snow here on the north side. I'm going to go a little bit further here and show you what goes on here. And some of these areas here, here's 1 o'clock in the morning. 2, 3. Some of these areas here that we thought were going to be going over to some freezing rain or sleet may not be. Might be staying all snow here, in which case you could get some higher snow accumulations out of this. But here's 5 o'clock in the morning. See, South Jersey is all rain at this point, and also down by Philadelphia by this time. But you should have a good thump of snow on the front end before that happens. And then going a little bit further here, here's 7 a.m., 8, 9, and 10. Now, and 11. Still got some snow showers here that are going to be moving out in and around this area here. Just some lighter snows at this point, hanging back across eastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey. This will be rotating through and be ending from west to east here, actually northwest to southeast during the course of the afternoon. Should not be hanging around all day. And then we should be clearing out nicely as we get into Friday night. So once it clears out, or excuse me, Saturday night. Once it clears out, we have this other system here coming in on its heels. This is going to be on Sunday night into Monday. Now, this the models aren't really too impressed with this. This just looks more like a snow showers type deal. But you can see the further southwestern your coverage area here. We do cover all the way out to this area here. So you see these lighter grays. These are snow showers. Further southwest you get, the better chance you get at these snow showers rotating through. Northern areas across northeastern PA and northern New Jersey are not currently expected to get much out of this. This is just a clipper system diving down to the south here. It's going to redevelop on offshore, but it's going to be too far east and too late for this thing to develop into something big. And some of the models were speculating this is going to be a really big storm at one point, but of course that has gone off the radar. We are going to keep an eye on that just in case it does do something, but right now it's not looking like anything of any merit. And then we're looking like we are going to have a couple days here, Wednesday, Thursday, that are going to be on the dry side, but very, very cold. Temperatures stuck in the 20s and teens in some locations for highs during the day. And then we start moderating a little bit as we get to Thursday ahead of our next system, which should be another clipper system, but temperatures are going to be marginal for this one. So we'll see how that works out when we get a little bit closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend. January 24th, 2015 and January 25th, 2015. Have a great weekend.